Welcome back. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Griha. We are now getting some breaking news, and this concerns Diljit Dosanjh's concert that was organized in Chandigarh. In fact, Chandigarh administration has put out a request to Punjab and Haryana High Court, claiming that the noise levels at Diljit's concert, the recent concert that was held in Chandigarh, exceeded the limits prescribed under the noise pollution regulation and control rules. 3 teams had been constituted by the Chandigarh Deputy Commissioner to ensure compliance with the High Court order directing ambient air quality standards in respect of noise is maintained at the boundary of the place to a maximum of 75 decibels. Now, a complaint against Diljit Dosanjh's concert that was held in Chandigarh. My colleague Tejinder Singh Sodhi is with us. Tejinder, more details, please.
Yes, Griha, the noise level at Diljit Dosanjh's recent concert, which was held in Chandigarh, had exceeded the limits prescribed under the noise pollution regulation and control rules. Chandigarh administration has informed the Punjab and Haryana High Court today. There was a petition that was filed against the concert stating that it had violated all the prescribed norms. So, three teams had been constituted by the Chandigarh Deputy Commissioner to ensure that there was a compliance of High Court order, which said that directing ambient air quality standard in respect to noise is maintained at the boundary of the place where the concert was held to a maximum of 75 decibels. Now, the SDM has informed that SDM South has rather written to the Secretary Environment Chandigarh administration for taking further necessary action as per Section 15 of the Environment Protection Act. The court has been informed by the Chandigarh administration. Now the court has adjourned the matter, and the next date of hearing would be in January. So there was a lot of buzz during Diljit Dosanjh Chandigarh concert, and concerns were raised by the citizens there in Chandigarh that the concert would spread pollution, noise pollution rather, in the area. And now the team has informed the Punjab and Haryana High Court about the violation during the concert, and now the next date of hearing has been fixed in January next year. Yes.
Right, Tejinder, is it that stringent when it is about the decibel levels, especially in Chandigarh?
Chandigarh, the people in Chandigarh, they had raised objection. There were several NGOs and several other organizations which had raised objection and filed a petition against this concert of Diljit Dosanjh, stating that the noise pollution which was caused during the concert of Diljit Dosanjh exceeded the prescribed decibel limit. So, as per law, action should be taken against the organizers of the concert and also against Diljit Dosanjh, because rules as per the Chandigarh administration are that the noise levels should not exceed 75 decibel in the area. But now the finding says that the concert which was held a couple of days ago had exceeded the prescribed decibel limit, and that is why this petition was filed. And now the court would decide what action should be taken, because the administration clearly states that there was a violation of the prescribed decibel level in the area. Yes.
Right. Thank you so much for that, Tejinder. So, a complaint that has been put out in the Punjab and Haryana High Court against the decibel levels that really emanated out of the concert of Diljit Dosanjh that took place in Chandigarh. On that note, we go into a very short break.